So I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, so that means case time. Let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the slim S Pen case from Samsung. So let's get into it. So I haven't had a Samsung Fold since the Fold 3. And when I had got the Fold 3, I got the starter kit, which came with the S Pen case and S Pen. And I'll be honest, it wasn't a good case. The S Pen was big and bulky on the back of it, and I just did not like it at all. So this is the slim. So let's hope that it is. So let's get a look at it. There we go. There we go. So slide to pop out S Pen. Ah, very good. Yeah. The clicky motion. Funky. So I went for the blue because my Fold is blue. Lovely. And I kind of did like the blue phone and then the blue case, but I did like this color of pen. So there we go, with all the gear, all the paperwork. And then what do we got in here? Tips, yep, tips. S Pen tips. Lovely. So slide to pop up S Pen. Right, well I'm gonna just peel that off. Can't be doing my stickers. So on the inside then there's a wee QR code. So that's probably like a part number or something. And it's just a plastic case. Cutouts for the buttons and cutouts for your camera bump, and then your Samsung brand in there as well. And then our S Pen, which is really, really slim. Oh, there we go. Lovely. And a wee clicky button. Beautiful. And then it just clicks back in. Yeah, that's funky. So then there's the front bumper, and then we've got our sticky tabs here, which it sticks these bits onto the front of your phone. That's the thing with foldable phones, cases, especially these front bits, need to be stuck on. Not a massive fan of it, but it's a necessary evil, unfortunately. So let's get this on. So off the bat, I do like the feel of this. You know, it's a smooth plastic, and I do like it, and the color scheme matches really, really well. And then we'll just peel these off. And they're sticking to me. There we go. And then we'll just stick that on like so. And there we go. So first impressions, this is miles above the previous S Pen cases I reviewed for the Fold 3. The pen was so big and bulky, I just could not refuse. I just couldn't use the case, and I just refused to use it. I ended up actually sending it back to Samsung, and it was a free gift. And I just returned it. I was like, no, it's rubbish. But this is a lot better. I'm really, really impressed with that. It doesn't have that big of a footprint, you know, which is quite good for such a slim S Pen. And then you can see there our camera bump. The cameras just don't quite protrude. There's not much of a lip over it. You know, it's sort of going for the minimalistic look. Not mad at it, and it's decent. Really is. Screen lip, then you've got a good screen lip up over that front display. So if you do set that down face first, it's not going to touch, and it's not going to scuff up. It should just about keep those camera lenses up off the back, so it won't scuff up them lenses. Being a Fold, obviously the hinge is exposed, one of those things. But yeah, I'll be honest, I'm not mad at that at all. I really, really like that, and having the S Pen is a really good job. Look at that. There we go. That's what I've been missing. I've been missing the S Pen, and I'm glad I picked this up, because I'll be honest, that was one of the things with the Pixel Fold. I was constantly like looking for a stylus when I had it opened, and I just not having it just was like it's not sure if it's a vibe. But no, this is definitely a good job. I mean, look at that. Good and responsive. And we've got our S Pen gestures here. Happy days, look at that. Lovely jubbly. I love how minimalistic that pen is. It's really, really nice. So nice. Colour scheme's pretty cool too. I do like it. And just clicks back in like that. And just pops out when you need it. Great job. Great job. Really pleased with that. So yeah, that is the slim S Pen case for the Fold 5. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I really, really like this. It comes in 3 colours. So you get this blue, you get black, and you get like a grey colour. So the black one comes with a black pen, and the grey one comes with like a pinky corally type colour pen. But I did like that blue and the green pen. I thought it was a nice contrast. This is going to be hard to get a case to top this, I think, for the Fold 5. And that's some big words. For sure. But I really like that. What do you guys think of the colour? Let me know in the comments down below. So I picked this up on Amazon for roughly around £67, which I thought was pretty good for this case. Now I have been monitoring it on Amazon, and it price fluctuated day to day, and when it got down to as low as £67, that's when I nabbed it and picked it up. So for that price, I thought it was pretty reasonable for a pretty decent case and an S Pen. I thought that was pretty decent. So yeah, it's not the worst out there, to be honest. So I would definitely recommend picking it up. I'll leave you a link in the description down below for where I picked it up. Let me know down below if you click on that link, what price do you see it at as of watching this video? Because when I bought this, it was £67. So I'd be interested to see just how much it spikes, if it does at all. So yeah, do that, let me know. That'll be wraps up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go, but keep it locked on the channel, guys. I've got more content coming for the Fold 5. I have more case reviews coming, so watch this space, because this is set a pretty early bar, I must say. And I'll be interested to see what other case offerings come from a lot of different brands, so stay tuned for that coming. I will also follow up with a review of the Fold 5 later on up down the line once I've been using this for a bit, so keep it locked for that. As always, if you're looking for more tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come, and until the next one, I'll catch you later.